Hello there. The weather story so far this week has been a little bit of a lottery depending on cloud amounts, because if the cloud has broken up and you've had the sunshine, well, temperatures have been very respectable indeed. High to mid-teens in places, very spring-like, very warm. But if you've had the cloud that stubbornly sat there throughout the day, it's a disappointing story and completely different one. It's felt quite cold, almost still more like winter rather than spring, with temperatures in some places struggling to get into double figures. Now let's take a look at yesterday's satellite picture. The day started off rather grey and gloomy. Then the cloud broke up in places and we had some lovely sunshine coming through. And so for many it was quite warm, but where we kept the cloud to the west, here was a different story, and I think it's a similar feel to things throughout the day today. Now, where we've kept that clear skies through the night, well, we've got some patchy mist and fog forming. It is going to be potentially a chilly start to our Thursday as well. The cloud filling in a little, but down into that southeast, yes, there could be some fog around. Once the fog lifts, it's going to be a misty start to the day generally across the country. We will see a little bit of sunshine though first thing in that southeast corner after the murky old morning, and then it's a case of waiting for that cloud to break up and some sunshine coming through. I think for Thursday, again, the further west you live on those exposed west coast, it could stay rather grey and gloomy with some patchy outbreaks of rain into the far northwest. You might get some brightness through Devon and Cornwall before the cloud fills up again into the afternoon, and here 10 to 12 degrees where the cloud tends to sit. But if we keep the sunshine, well, we keep the warmth. 16 to 18 degrees, well above the average for the time of year, and under a light breeze it will feel very pleasant in the sunnier moments. Now up into the far north of Scotland, while eastern areas again should stay bright and sunny, the further west will have this light patchy rain and certainly some thicker cloud. And as we move into Friday, a slight change. We see these weather fronts pushing in. It will be quite a messy scenario with some outbreaks of rain. Not too organised, I suspect, during Friday, but we will start to see a change with our weather, with more wet weather starting to nudge across Scotland, northwest England, Northern Ireland, and eventually into West Wales. We keep the drier, brighter, but not quite as warm weather, perhaps, into the southeast corner. It's Cheltenham Gold Cup on Friday. Could stay cloudy, but it will be dry. 12 degrees the expected high, and the breeze not too noticeable. So all in all, as we move into the weekend, things become a little more unsettled. There will be outbreaks of welcome rain potentially into that southeast corner. Keep watching the forecast. Take care.